Boys and a couple gals, here we are. Look at this. I'm just gonna tell you right now, I wasn't even looking for this, and she popped up on the old marketplace, and it was so pretty and so clean, I had to go look at it. And then the owner was so cool that I had to do it. I was holding out for a 63 or 64 Impala, but I had bid on a couple on Bring a Trailer, and I didn't win them because I didn't want to fork out the zillions of dollars for them. Once I got really close, I was only like $1,500 off, but it would have like wiped out like a ton of money. So I knew I was never going to get into an Impala convertible. I don't have 50 to 125K to do that. I'd much rather pay my house off than buy a freaking car. But yeah, I got this, and this is really freaking cool. The paint, oh, I'm so scared. The paint is amazing. The body's amazing. I am going to mess this up somehow. I should not be allowed to have nice paint. But I'm gonna try my darndest. I'm gonna try my darndest to keep her clean. I'm gonna try hard to take good care of it. And everything I do, I'll be super careful. Now, the cool thing is that the car on the outside is aesthetically beautiful. Bodywork needs none. Paint needs none. No rust. I didn't see any. I think the floor pans are solid. I looked inside there from underneath. It's low. I got what I could. I didn't see any. But when I do carpet and sound deadening, then I'll find out for sure. But I feel like we're good. The same owner had it in the family since 1973. And this is a 1963. So that's pretty dang cool. So now I got to do fun stuff, which interior. I don't mind doing interior at all. I'm kind of actually looking forward to this. I'm looking forward to getting some seat covers and recovering some seats. Do front and rear. Probably new carpet. Probably some fresh door panels. Probably, I don't know. I really want that digital dash, but you guys know how much that is? It's like $1,650. But goodness sakes, they're amazing. So I don't know if that'll get done. Man, these actually have more room than I was expecting. I thought these were going to be like way too small for my fat body, but it's actually pretty good. The top folds up good. It's just, there's nothing wrong with this. It's just no paint. Paint's worn off, but it lifts up fine. Latches work good. I do actually, the plastic on the top is jacked up. It's no good for the back window. So I would like to put a black top on here, but I don't know if I have the skills to do a convertible top. That seems maybe a little out of my skill set. Well, a lot out of my skill set. I don't have any skill sets. And this ain't just bolting something on. This is a lot of work on doing these tops. A lot of staples, lining things up. But the top works really good. It's just white. The rest of the top is actually good condition. It's just that back window. And I could probably find a way to just replace the back window, but I think these look awesome with black tops. So I would like to do that. But that won't be getting done that fast in the future, or that near in the future. Would probably like to do something with the wheels. These are clean wheels, but like I scrubbed the heck out of this one trying to get the white wall back. And oh boy, I don't think she wants to come back. If it had SS hubcaps, I'd be more apt to keep those, but I don't know if I'm gonna even worry about that. I might just get some cool wheels. Chime in on the wheels. I was thinking some 100 spokes, 14-inch wire wheels, or I also kind of think that those Weld Venturas, those 5-star that I had on my last Nova, might actually look good on this. But just keep in mind, I don't care if this car's fast. Like, I don't need to make this car fast. I just really want a cruiser. Let me pop this for you. Sit you down. Engine bay could probably use some freshening. It's solid, it's just dirty. Engine's clean. The engine was rebuilt, I think the receipts say 2016 or 17. It's not the original engine. So it's not like I have to keep it like numbers matching. But the engine was rebuilt, runs good. It does have a few issues. It has a exhaust tick, and there's a small transmission leak, which I'm thinking might just be the output shaft seal. This interior door handle doesn't work. You have to open it from the outside, but that's not going to be a bad fix. Yeah. So that's it. I think that's a fair walk around. I think you guys get a good idea of how it looks. I drove it today. It drives good. No issues. Just scared of the paint. And I buy it right before winter. So that's awesome. So now I won't get to drive it much because of winter time. But that'll give me time to do a few things. Maybe get these seats taken care of. Carpet, sound deadening. Get the seats back in. I don't know. We'll see. But there it is. 63 Chevy 2 Nova. Thought I was done with the Novas. Drag back in.